Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the broadband service is live and the modem/router shows online. Once done, power on the smart TV and choose a location close enough to the router for reliable signal. You want to minimize interruptions. If you plan to use Ethernet, plug one end into the router and hold the other for the TV's LAN port. If using Wi-Fi, note the network name and password so you won't interrupt the next steps. Now connect the TV to broadband. If using Ethernet, insert the cable and go to Settings Network to choose Wired Connection. The TV should auto-assign IP via DHCP. If wireless, open Network Settings, scan for your SSID, select it, and carefully enter the password. Watch case sensitivity. Once connected, check the TV's network status page to confirm an IP address and internet reachability, and switch to manual IP only if your network requires specific addressing. Finish by launching a streaming app or browser to verify playback and latency. This confirms both connectivity and adequate bandwidth. If content buffers or the TV shows no internet, reboot the modem/router and the TV, recheck Ethernet and power connections, then retry. If problems persist, renew the DHCP lease or set a public DNS like 8 to resolve name issues. And if Wi-Fi remains weak, move the router. Use a wired connection or add a Wi-Fi extender for stable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.